All disease begins in the gut. Hippocrates. This profound statement remains more relevant than ever in understanding how vital our gut health is to our overall well-being. In this transformative presentation, we'll explore why your gut, specifically your microbiome, plays a critical role in maintaining your physical, mental, and emotional health. I'll walk you through the connections between gut health and common health issues, and share 7 effective methods to restore and nourish your gut for long-term vitality. 1. The power of your gut and microbiome. Your gut is home to trillions of microorganisms, including bacteria, fungi, and protozoa, collectively known as your microbiome. This community of microbes weighs about 2 to 3 pounds and plays a pivotal role in digestion, immunity, and even mental health. A healthy microbiome can fend off harmful pathogens, while a compromised one can lead to inflammation, infections, and chronic health conditions. Our gut also contains 70–80% of the immune system, making it a critical player in disease prevention. 2. Why gut health is key. Your gut is the entryway through which external substances, primarily food, enter your body. Everything you eat gets processed here, meaning your nutrition and overall energy levels depend on the efficiency of your gut. If your gut is compromised, even eating healthy foods might not provide all the benefits. Many people who eat well but still feel unwell have underlying gut issues. An unhealthy gut can lead to leaky gut syndrome, autoimmune diseases, and mental health disorders like depression and anxiety. 3. Common causes of gut health decline. For several reasons. One of the biggest offenders is an inflammatory diet filled with processed foods, sugars, and artificial ingredients. These cause chronic inflammation, leading to damage to the intestinal lining, allowing toxins and undigested food to leak into the bloodstream. This triggers autoimmune responses that can harm other parts of the body. Stress, environmental toxins, antibiotics, and a sedentary lifestyle also contribute to poor gut health. 4. 7 steps to healing your gut. Step 1. Eliminate processed foods. To stop the damage, the first step is removing processed foods, refined sugars, and preservatives from your diet. Focus on whole natural foods. For some, it may also be necessary to cut out gluten and dairy, especially for those with sensitivities or autoimmune issues. Step 2. Add fermented foods, prebiotics, and probiotics. Fermented foods like kimchi, sauerkraut, kombucha, and kefir are full of beneficial bacteria that help rebalance your microbiome. Prebiotics, which are found in fiber-rich foods like fruits and vegetables, feed the good bacteria in your gut. Probiotic supplements can also help replenish healthy bacteria, especially after illness or antibiotic use. Step 3. Diversify your diet. Eating a wide variety of fruits, vegetables, leafy greens, and whole grains supports a diverse microbiome, which is key for good gut health. Different microbes thrive on different foods, so introducing new foods into your diet ensures you're feeding the entire ecosystem in your gut. Step 4. Live an active lifestyle. Exercise not only helps maintain a healthy weight and reduces stress, but it also promotes diversity in your microbiome. Studies have shown that professional athletes have more diverse gut bacteria than less active individuals, leading to better overall health. It's never too late to start moving. Step 5. Use natural cleaning products. Antibacterial cleaners and harsh chemicals may kill harmful bacteria, but can also wipe out beneficial microbes. Switch to natural household cleaners like vinegar, baking soda, and Castile soap to avoid disrupting your microbiome. Exposure to everyday bacteria helps build a robust immune system. Step 6. Get outside and garden. Spending time in nature and interacting with soil exposes you to beneficial bacteria, which can improve your mood and overall well-being. Gardening not only connects you to your food, but also strengthens your gut microbiome. While studies show that contact with soil bacteria can even increase serotonin, the happy hormone. Step 7. Practice mindfulness and manage stress. Your mental health is closely tied to your gut. Stress and negative emotions can wreak havoc on your gut health, leading to digestive issues and inflammation. Incorporating mindfulness practices, meditation, or yoga into your daily routine can significantly improve both your mental state and your gut health. 5. The long road to healing. Healing the gut isn't an overnight process. It typically takes at least 100 days to repair a damaged microbiome. But the good news is that with consistency and dedication, the benefits are life-changing. Once you commit to a healthier diet and lifestyle, you'll notice improvements not only in your digestion, but also in your energy levels, mental clarity, and immune response. 6. Conclusion: the gut health connection and your lifelong well-being. Your gut is the core of your overall health, influencing everything from digestion to immune function, mental health, and even your risk of chronic diseases. By taking proactive steps to nourish your gut, you can dramatically improve your quality of life. Remember, true healing requires patience and commitment. There's no quick fix, but the rewards are worth the effort. When you prioritize your gut health, you're investing in your future well-being, energy, and happiness. This video is designed to inform, inspire, and equip you with the tools needed to transform your health by taking care of your gut. Healing is a journey. Stay committed, and your body will thank you. You are worth the time, effort, and love it takes to heal and thrive. Like, share, subscribe, have a beautiful day, and tune in soon again.